Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to hide the last updated time in Google Sites. Let's refresh this page. Scroll down to the bottom. As you can see in the information icon, I can see the update or the last updated information. To hide this info, simply go to sites.google.com, enter your website. Then click on this settings icon from this corner. A new settings window pops up. Go to viewer tools. Below info icon. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my Google Sites online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Google Sites, building content, for example, how to write articles and upload videos or photos. Also enhancing your Google site, like how to add an image carousel, a video background, a WhatsApp link, Facebook pixel. Also publishing and managing, customizing and advanced features, like how to add sitemap to Google Sites. Additional features like how to rotate images on Google Sites, how to resize images, print Google Sites. Also another category of monetizing your Google Sites, for example, how to promote affiliate links on Google Sites. Special use cases for Google Sites, like how to use Google Sites to make a portfolio, a blog, a gaming website, how to create a login page, and finally managing your Google site, like how to index your Google site and also how to export it. If you want to get access to all of this today for free, and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. Below info icon, disable the option next to show page last updated time. Close this window and don't forget to save your changes by hitting the publish button. Let's refresh the same page again. Let's scroll down to the bottom. As you can see, the information icon still appearing, but the last update information is hidden. And this is how to hide the last update information in Google Sites. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.